Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. Thank you to Miss Mega Asrizona SEMSC for taking the time to watch the comment and suggestion video from book 2 with myself Hafizah with student ID number 24059020 with my colleges.
My name is Hanifah Uya Putri with student identification number 2405910.
My name is Nurudinatul Hayati, NEM 24059088.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal Ramadan with number ID 240591118.
Unclear marketing strategies example. Using an engaging content on Instagram and TikTok. Suggestion: be specific about the type of content the target audience and how such will be measured. Unclear unique selling point of Quarto Vision. The paper does not clearly explain what sets Quarto Vision apart from other clothing stores. Suggestion: define Quarto Vision's unique value. Are the product unique or affordable, or does the store have an attractive concept? Line of SWOT analysis. SWOT: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Analysis is important to assess Quarto Vision's position in the market. Unrealistic financial projection. Some financial figures seem unrealistic. Net profit of 11035000 in a short time. Suggestion: calculate production costs, operational costs, and profit margins more realistically, considering time and initial investment. Incomplete reference. The reference list need improvement and should clearly show how each source supports the paper. Suggestion: use books, journals, and online resources to support claims. Analyze reference in the correct format. Grammar and formatting errors. Grammar and formatting mistakes indicate a lack of attention to details.
Okay, I will comment on Group 3 report. 1. Spelling errors. Pay attention to spelling. 2. Capitalization errors. Observe correct capitalization. 3. Long and wordy sentence. Avoid overly long and complicated sentence. 4. Lack of market analysis. The paper lacks detailed explanation of the target market. 5. Unclear marketing strategies. Example, using engaging content on Instagram and TikTok. My suggestion is be specific about the type of contents, the target audience, and how success will be measured. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Comment on Group 3 PPT. Here are some input and suggestions we can provide to improve the presentation to make it better and more effective in delivery. First, mistakes in writing the title. Problem: there is a mistake in writing the title, namely business should be written as business. Evidence: the first slide in the middle of the page. Suggestion: the title is an important element and becomes the first impression of the presentation. Therefore, it should always be double-checked to avoid typos that can reduce the impression of professionalism. Second, text display is less visually appealing. Problem: some slides only contain long text without this design, variation, or visual separation. Evidence: slide what is Quarto Vision and marketing strategy. Suggestion: to attack the audience attention, it is better to add visual elements such as icon, different color, or text separation in columns or box. This makes the display more lively and the message easier to understand. Point 3. Image not accompanied by clear explanation. Problem: The product image displayed are not accompanied by caption. Evidence: our product slide only display photos of clothing without information on the type, name, or description of the product. Suggestion: the image should be accompanied by a brief description so that the audience knows the product name, advantage, or target market of the product. Next, slide display is too full. Problem: some slides are too dense with text in paragraph forms. Evidence: the marketing strategy slide display long paragraph without explanation. Suggestion: use bullet point or short sentence that get straight to the point, so that it is easier to read and understand during the presentation. And the last, point 5, the flow of content is less structured. Problem: the presentation of the material is not concrete and feel like it is jumping around. Evidence: the vision and mission slide appear suddenly without a transition from the previous to section. Suggestion: it would be better if the slides were arranged more logically. For example, starting from the business background, that moving onto the visual and mission, product, marketing strategy, and future plans. At transition, slide of necessary to make the flow more fluid.
Comments on Group 3 presentation video. Number 1. Not fully understanding the material. The presentation wasn't very effective because the presenter didn't seem to fully understand topic. This made the explanation unclear and hard to follow. It also seems like the presenter was just reading from the slides, which made the presentation feel less engaging and interactive. Number 2. Not showing PowerPoint slides. Not showing the PowerPoint slides during the presentation made it hard for the audience to follow the flow of the talk. Slides usually have to explain key points, and without them, it was difficult for the audience to keep track of what was being discussed. Number 3. Monotonous delivery. The way the presenter spoke was too monotonous, which made the presentation feel boring. Without changing the tone or adding variety to the delivery, audience may have lost interest and struggled to stay focused.
Okay, that concludes from Group 2 comments. We hope this is helpful for Group 3. Thank you for watching to all friends and Miss Mega Asrizona, SIMSC. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.